Alright, figured out the drama from last video why I wouldn't scroll. I was using the wrong pen. I was using the screen record pen instead of the note pen. If I use the note pen, then I can scroll. Alright, let me get the problem here. Assignment number 4. Let's say you had a problem like x squared minus 3 over x plus 2 equals x minus 3 over 2. Okay, this is actually a problem from your homework, so let me change the numbers. Change these to 5s. Change these to 4s. I hope that doesn't throw off the whole problem. Okay, as we learned in the last video, our method is to multiply by all of the denominators on both sides, over 1 this time. This will clear them out for us. Plus 4? Okay, when this multiply here happens, all of this fraction times a subfraction, we have this simplified to 1, and we get 4x squared minus 20. And on this side, we have the 4's simplify, and now we just get x squared, 4x, negative 5x. Okay, I'm going to change this to negative 1x. And negative 20. Oh my. Scroll. Now it's just a quadratic from earlier in the year. But I don't remember what to do. Well, try to get it equal to 0. And then we can use the zero product property. So add 20 to both sides, but a nice thing there happens is they're gone. They're gone from both sides. Nice. All right. I'm going to subtract x. I'm going to move them over here. Now, and then this is controversial. 2 steps at once plus x also. Try to follow along. 3x squared plus x equals 0. 0 for you Spanish students. Now, how do we solve this? We could use the formula, quadratic formula. Opposite of b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4c all over 2a. That would work. We could factor it, or we could complete the square. Factor it. Well, yes, we're going to factor it. What can we pull out of these? They both have an x. Let's pull an x out. What's left in the 3x squared once we pull an x out? 3x. What's left in the x once we pull the x out? 1. And you can see if you distribute it back in, you'd get 3x squared plus x. Okay, now we have our answers. Either x itself is 0, or this is all 0. What would make that 0? The opposite of the back divided by the front. Negative 1/3. Let's test it. 3 times negative 1/3 is negative 1, plus 1 is 0. 0 times negative 1/3, because that's what x was, is 0. 0, check. The answers are x is 0 or x equals negative 1/3. Are any of those extraneous solutions? Nope, looks good. What would make it extraneous? If putting one of those in actually makes you divide by 0. Like negative 4 could not be a solution. It would be an extraneous. It would be a solution, but that actually doesn't work. There'd be an asymptote at negative 4. Okay. So sometimes you'll get quadratics after you clear the denominators, but then use your quadratic skills.